Hey, my name is Jared. I'm an occupational therapist and a lymphedema therapist, and this is my review of the Sunshine air blower. I originally got this to clean out areas of my PC. I would open it up and I would use this to blow on the inside to help clean out the dust that accumulates. But I have later started to use this with the other attachments to clean some areas of my home. It comes with multiple attachments here that pop off really easily. They have one that's more of a pinpoint, one that's more of a wider angle, and one that's more narrow as well. To turn it on, you just hold this button down and the device will actually turn on and blow out a lot of air. On the bottom of the device is a non-slip surface, so it won't slide. In addition to that, there is a filter, and the filter comes out really easily. And in fact, I'm going to change it right now. So it comes out like this, and it comes with additional ones that you can just stuff right in there. So that way it will blow nice clean air out of it. I've had this since 2020 and I really enjoy it. I hope you guys take a look at it and I'll show you how to use it in just a minute. Okay, now this is a demonstration of using the device. I forgot to mention that there is a light on it, so if you need to illuminate an area while you're using it, it will do so. It is loud. It is a machine that does require a lot of power. So that's the extent of how loud it is. But once again, don't do this late at night. Do it during the day and you'll be just fine. I hope you like it.